so it looks like they got a lot of different dishes. Jellies of different colors. This bread, this bun thing. I don't know what that is. We'll find out. Got some, looks like soy. Okay, some plain veggies. They got whatever this roll thing is. Oh, they also have watermelon juice now. And I think the rest is the same. What else? They got the sticky rice again. They got this gimbap. They got grilled fish over there. What else? They got this noodle dish. Tofu with mushroom. These look the same. Then they added, I think this soup is probably the same. I'll try it again because last time it tasted like some weird chocolate milk to me. Then they got spaghetti with pork. And I think the rest is the same here. The fish. Simmered pork with fish sauce, that's new. And also the this soup. Okay, they're probably gonna have something else here. And then this rice noodles with beef. They have a different broth, so we'll see how that tastes. Alright, this is what we got this time. We're gonna try all these things. Some of the grilled fish. I think I need rice for that. It's pretty salty. Give me a second. Okay, I've got some rice because that fish was really salty. But really good. Little spicy. Sweet, salty. The pork with fish sauce. Pretty good. This one doesn't really need rice. Not like the fish. Okay, this is the mushroom, Sanoki mushroom. This looks like a circle of tofu. Very plain compared to the previous two. Eating it in a weird order, so now these things lack flavor because other ones had too much flavor. I don't know what this lettuce wrapped roll thing. Slightly sweet, savory, pretty good. I don't really like cooked lettuce though, but alright, spaghetti. Has a somewhat normal spaghetti flavor sauce. Alright. Let's try these egg noodles. Decent, but I ate them backwards, so I ate them in backwards in order of how much flavor. But pretty good. Also lightly seasoned gimbap. Fried. Okay. I'm pretty sure there's like meat inside. So we'll eat this first. Alright, let's see. Yeah. It's the same pork bun. Basically the same as the ones you would eat in the restaurant that have this kind of meat patty. Alright, now for the soup. I just got a small bowl, so I'm just gonna drink it from here. Very light flavor. Has like the seaweed stuff in it. Has the flavor of that. It's very light, not too much salt or anything. Probably should add a little salt, but it's good. If you add more salt, probably be pretty good. Alright, for these desserts. This is flour, not powdered sugar. I don't know who wraps up pastry with just flour, with this much flour, but okay. Peanuts. I think that's coconut. And sesame seeds. Not bad, but it's a lot of flour. Alright, what's in this? The sweet custard paste is good. Alright, got this little spongy cake looking thing with some fruits on top. It's like candied orange peel. Let's try this. It has some little white beans in there. And some like fried garlic. Or onion. And then we added that sugar sesame stuff. Or it might be salt. Oh, actually, I like this one. You can see it also has coconut. It has like I think the beans add like a interesting chew texture. Pretty good. Okay, looks like probably a giraffe. I don't know, or a cow. Pretty much the same as yesterday. Does the pink one have a different flavor? Slightly different. Yeah, it has a little different flavor, but I can't describe what it is. Alright, that's it. Alright, so here's the soup. Let's give this a try. They got like pork, meatball kind of thing. Chewy, good flavor. And this pork, not bad. It has the I think lemongrass flavor. Pretty good. Could use more ingredients, but more meats, different types, but it's pretty good. Alright, so they got the watermelon juice, soy milk, passion fruit juice, and the yogurt. I was told they adjusted the sweetness level, so let's see. Yeah, pretty good. Less sweet than before. This tastes like just like pressed watermelon juice, so no extra sugar, nothing. Liquefied watermelons. Okay, soy milk. Lightly sweetened, pretty good. And I'll finish the rest of the passion fruit. And the little yogurt. You can see the texture. pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna eat a bunch of these. I got 2. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. From the eating table.